Introduction: the importance of choosing the right language.
Selecting a programming language is one of the first and most crucial decisions in game development. The language you choose can affect your game's performance, development speed, and career opportunities. Understanding which languages are popular and why will help you make an informed choice that matches your goals and the needs of the gaming industry.
Understanding game development needs.
Game development covers a wide range of projects, from mobile apps to large-scale PC and console games. The type of game you want to create, your team's size, and target platforms all influence language selection. Some languages offer better performance, while others provide faster prototyping or easier cross-platform support. Consider your project's unique needs before deciding.
Top programming languages in demand.
C++ is highly valued for its performance and control, making it the standard in major studios and for high-end games. C# is widely used thanks to the Unity engine, which powers many indie and mobile games. JavaScript, Python, and Java also have roles, especially for web-based or educational games. Each language has its strengths and job market relevance.
Platform and engine compatibility.
Your choice may depend heavily on which game engine you want to use. Unreal Engine uses C++, while Unity leverages C#. Godot supports GDScript, C#, and C++. If you aim to release games on multiple platforms, check the language support for each engine and platform you plan to target. This helps ensure a smoother development process.
Learning path and career considerations.
If you're entering the gaming industry, learning C++ and C# opens up the most opportunities. For indie or mobile games, C# and JavaScript are practical choices. Start with beginner-friendly languages if you're new to coding, then branch out as you gain experience. Research job postings to see what skills employers seek for your desired roles and platforms.
Conclusion: making your choice.
Choose a programming language that matches your career goals, interests, and the games you want to create. Consider industry demand, engine compatibility, and learning resources available. Remember, the best language is the one that empowers you to build and improve your skills as a game developer. Start with one and expand your toolkit as you grow.